Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Faulty Vlog TV. Today's video ay kakain tayo ng calamaris at dinuguan. Ayan, sarap na dinuguan guys. Bili namin yan sa ano. Dito lang tayo sa lugar yan. We bought the calamari and the ano sa labas. Kasi I don't know how to cook dinuguan. So, we need to, because this is blood, very sensitive to eat blood, to cook blood. But dinuguan is good guys. I'm zombie. Zombie. How's our birthday girl for tomorrow? Sana all birthday girl! Shout out! Exam nila ngayon. Exam na nila ngayon. Ay, na-ID na si Endel. Uy, dalagang Filipina. Si Endel.
Buti nga hindi nila inedit yung
Bakit
buhok
wala yan dito?
Hindi nila inedit yung buhok ko eh.
Hindi mo lang pinalo sa likod.
Kasi dati in-state nila yan, ginawa lang black.
Ba't ginawa ko lang?
Hindi ko alam. Nung nag-edit dati sa grade 8 ID.
Hindi guys, makita ko sa inyo. Revelation. Sa dinuguan. Ito guys. Ang bango. Sarap niyan. Masarap kasi puro laman. Puro laman siya. Kaya? Hindi tayo pagandahan niya dyan. Tapos calamaris. This is 20 pesos. And this is 60 pesos. You want. Calamaris is 20 pesos. Masarap pag masuka. I didn't have time to cook because I was paying her. After I dropped her in school, I pay her tuition. And then I come back here. It takes time for Junior to prepare himself, to take a shower, he cook, and then I have to go with him to school to pay his tuition fee. So, both the tuition fee paid for this month. And thank you to GRG. So, anong handa natin bukas niya? Wala. Mag-cake lang, bilada lang siyang cake bukas. So, Walter, yun lang kami kakain. Ang sarap pala gawin guys. Very delicious this dinuguan. Ang ko na tingin lang. Ano ko tinalitan mo? 10 peso. Hindi mo na ito? Ha? Hindi na. This one here is our breakfast earlier. This is corned beef. Corned beef. Sarap. Yan. Yummy. Ini tayo. Sarap na yan. Ang lupit na. Dami ko lang din Angel. Nag-isaw siya guys. Ito, calamaris na. Nag-isaw niya gusto. Kumain kasi kami ng mga lola doon. Kumain ko yung doon. Sarap. Yan. Mm. Mm. Grabe. Super masarap. Mm. Sarap. Ayan guys. Ito dito ito kain mo sa taba. Ito dalawa. Mm. Sarap, sarap. Ito malapit. Ito nga sa sarap. Mm. Sarap. Wala akong sinamin.
Oh,
Hindi ka.
oh.
Sarap ko pag may tanggulak guys. Sige mo siya. Hindi ka. Diyan mo na pila. Ano pila natin? Kami.
28.
28. Dami pa. Ito kung tutulong nga lang. Ayan guys, 28 pesos lang yung ano dito. Yung kasalo. Kasalo size. I will show you. Well done talagang pwede. Ayaw lang yung gulo. Pinapatapos. I will finish this. Ano to? Calamaris na naman ito? Ayun, isa ko sa babae kasi sabi ko, gusto ko yung bilog. Hindi natin bawal yung bilog. Bigay pa rin siya.
Hindi naman siya nalakad.
Naman ka siya manirapo. Bigyan mo yung kanya ng pag-extra. Bigyan na nga lang ako ng bilog sa kanila. Calamaris. Calamaris. Sweet ba? Calamari. Yeah. This is vinegar. Mm. Hindi ka magpa-islam eh. Gusto ko kung gano'n. Buka. Guys, let's eat. Ito pa sa pala. Hindi, meron pa. I didn't have breakfast. No, I had a breakfast. This one's no breakfast. But I need Coca-Cola. We'll wait for the Coca-Cola. We'll do breakfast. Wait, wait. Ayun na guys, ang Coca-Cola. We need glass. This is kasalo size, only 28 pesos.
Minsan mo 20 pesos.
I cannot open it, guys. Because my hand is painful. And then it's very strong. Hindi ko na kumanin yun. Kumain mo yung mga
Ayun, ayun.
Nausog ko guys.
Yung pala.
Hindi na Ma, the girl. Ooh. My right hand is painful, guys. I have arthritis. Sarap. Ay, natapon. Ang suki. Ang shuki. Alright. This is exciting. Sarap. Sarap niyan, guys. Hindi to sponsor, guys, pero binili ko to kay Vitis. Ano, bawal sa akin to. Pero pasaway ako.
Sabi may gamot naman eh.
Hindi naman nag-inom, wala pang binili. Ano, mamatay ka mamatay. Basta nakasakain mo. Cheers, Jel! Happy birthday in advance! Yan ang gift mo, Jel?
Ano yun?
Ito?
Ano yun?
Coca-Cola. Damay ubo. Inubod. Inubo, guys! Regalo ko Coca-Cola. Ito yung regalo ko kay Jel. Yan. Advance, Jel. Advance natin. Advance. Advance happy birthday, anak. Ito yan. Ito yan. Gusto mo yan kasi magka-stencil ko. Unboxing, Angel gift, advance gift. Kita na, revelation. Oh, sana all. Cute niya. Ganda, no? Mawakan din siya. Wow. Kasi yung cellphone dyan, tsaka wallet na slim. Slim wallet. Ano ang sasabi mo? Ay, yaw. Luwang dun.
Wala.
Yaw.
Thinking.
Kasi si Ingy, gusto yung kikay na ganyan ba? Kasi cute talaga siya, diba? Perfect yung cellphone talaga pa siya. Tsaka matibay, very, very elegant siya. Good quality, diba? Yung quality niya na.
Okay, may panggala na kami.
Nag-aala kami bukas after ng kanyang exam. Exam nila bukas. Ayaw niya kasi maghanda kami. So, gagawa lang kami. Gagawa. O, sana walang ulan. Yung bagyo.
Ito ko nga sa SM eh.
Kasi,
Kaso ba?
ba, doon pupunta. Pwede tayo mag-mowa. Mag-bus lang. Mag-bus. Ano yung isa? Ayan.
Ay, hindi lang.
Lunch bag.
Ay, ako yung bag ko. Mas maganda yung lunchbox ng isa guys.
Pero cute yan. Ito ganito, pwede siya magamit pag pupunta ng pag pupunta ng beach. O, diba? Para hindi mabasa yung mga towel, yung
Manifesting.
sa mga ganito-ganyan. Tabi lang ito pala pag mag-Boracay or magpalawang. Sana all Palawan. Magpalawan, bigyan naman. If we're going to the beach, this bag also good for to travel around with. Alampay, mga towel, panty, swimsuit, cellphone. Galing, para pala siyang kulay. Yung kulay ito, hindi ito pink, ito lang ano siya. May pagka-peach. Peach yun? Peach. Nice? You like your gift? Bukas naman yung iba. Oh, advance happy birthday, Angel!
Plan.
Ha? 19
Yung
minutes.
tumbler ko.
Tumbler? Bili daw ng tumbler sa Angel. Bukas. So, yun lang yan. Gift mo. Malang tumbler, guys, eh. 1,000 na ito. Kasi
Kasi ako class.
gusto niyang Aqua Plus. Hindi kasi siya nagdadala ng ano, pag hindi Aqua Plus yung tumbler. Social. Martis Angel, mga guy.
Oo na, wala yung lamig eh.
Well. So, yan guys, yun lang. So, happy birthday, anak. Sana tumangkad ka palalo.
Ang matangkad ako guys.
You stay, good girl. No bad record. Stay in good record the whole year until you finish, until you get work, until you get married. I'm married.
Wala kang boyfriend eh. Meron
No, not boyfriend. You have to get to work first so that you will be independent. You will have your own money. You will have your own income. Not like mommy, no? So, si mommy kawawa sa mommy. Walang, so, maging wais lang ang buhay sa aking dalagang Filipino. Pero, thank you pa rin ako sa ama mo na binigyan ako ng magandang thank you for Rene also, senior. Because I have beautiful lady,
Sino?
a beautiful girl. Rene Senior, I hope you will be there for your daughter. Meow.
Hahanapin kita.
And thank you also, Georgie, for everything, for the gift. Wala salamat ka kay Daddy. Diyan. Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy Danny RG.
Tapos thank you ka rin sa ama mo for the life. Okay. Thank
Sige
you.
na po.
Ayun. Ayun guys, yun na lang kasi ayun na Angel. Hi guys, I had purchase from Shopee, so I have to unpack this one. So we're still on today. Okay. What is this? Something. Ay, sa pen ko din. This is from pen. This is from pen. Oh, this is my brother. From pen. It's cool, right? So I don't know if this is good for Angel. We'll try if she like this or not. But this is very good. Lucky charm. I ordered this for myself. This is my previous. This has a 24 carats reformer. It's gone already. I still have the part of it, but it's along with them. This is my old one. But this is the new one we have from Temu. So I think I paid this like, how much I paid this to them? 150 or something. This one comes along with the box. And we still have here, also from Temu. Both from Temu. I'm sure we still have some more for unpacking. Oh, my earring. It comes late. It's actually the one I paid this like 202. So, 202. I'm gonna do this. 2 items. Out of the 3 items there. Like, it looks nice. This is like bracelet. Stainless steel. Oh, nice. This is nice. This is bracelet piece. So hopefully this is not, it won't fade. I don't expect this is gonna last. I ordered one before but it's broken so quick. So this one is the same to one of my earrings. I ordered from Temu and it doesn't fade. So hopefully this one will gonna last. There you go. It's cute, right? And this one. I'm not sure if maybe you like this. What do you think? Oh, this one is good for me. How to open it? Oh no, it's quite strong. Oh, really? Let's see this. Oh, difficult to close. There you go. Aha. Yeah. There you go. Maganda siya guys. Mabigat. You have to check if there is magnet. The magnet, if it's stick to the magnet kung it's a steel. I want close. You have to close. It's just to close. Oh, there you go. It's cute. Look at this. Yeah. Bracelet. And this one. Oh, para lang ano sa Pilipino. Ito, real gold talaga to. This one is not. 202 plus. This one is, that's included with the bracelet and earrings. And this one is 150. And it's very nice. It's a lucky charm. Bracelet. Ano tayong madam? Ito, tusok lang talaga siya. Ito lang yung lawit-lawit niya. Diba? 10. Thank you. Cute ng bracelet. Tusok lang sa kamay ko. I like it. But if we're wearing, dito yata sa kanan itong ating isa. Kasi pag naglalaba, masisira. Yes. Or bracelet. Order ko ito kasi wala nga akong bracelet natin. Ayan. Cute naman. Tsaka parang totoo siya guys. Partner siya, turn na siya ng isa kong earrings. I love it. Parang matibay naman siya. It looks durable too. Oh, it's durable looking. Oh, hi guys! Ayan, thank you so much for watching everyone. By the way, this is Food and Record TV. Sign off. Bye-bye! Happy birthday to my angel. Best wishes to you, my daughter. I love you. Mommy loves you. Daddy loves you. Meow. Love, love, love. Yun na, story namin. Okay. God bless everybody. This is Filipino Record TV. Signing off. Like, share,
Subscribe.
and comment below. Bye everyone. Happy birthday, angel. Meow.
Thank you so much for watching Filipino Raquel TV. See you for my next vlog. Happy birthday, my daughter. Nara Angel in advance. Daddy and Mommy loves you very much. Best wishes always, anak, and good health always. And stay your feet on the ground. And be loving little angel always.